Alright guys, so today we're going to show you how to drain the drain on your E60. So this is going to fix your water in your ECU box. Even if you don't have any water in the ECU box, it's probably a good idea to check this. Have the tire off. If you don't know how to take the tire off, maybe you probably shouldn't be doing this. I don't know how much light we're going to have in here. It looks like it's pretty dark. But anyhow, so what we've done here, let me put it back where it was. There is 3 bolts, one there, one there, one there. There's another bolt down here. They're all 8 millimeters. Take that out, you flip this down. There is one more bolt right there. It's also 8 millimeter. You flip it down, you flip this over like so, and holy crap. Right there is your drain for the ECU box. Hopefully you can see that. So we're just gonna basically, if I could do her one-handed here, we're gonna grab a hold of it and just rip it off of there. Get off of there. All right, here it is. Get up here in the light. And it is just totally full of dirt and garbage, and that's what causes that to back up. There's also one on this side to get to it the same way. I can't even show you from up here, I don't believe. Nope. But the bottom of that's full of dirt. You can see it a little bit right below the reservoir for the brakes. So we're gonna go dump this out. We're gonna try to stick something up in there, make sure there's nothing else hanging down. Just try to generally clean it out, right? We might even have a vacuum attachment long enough to get down there. Probably not though. And that's it. So I mean, that's gonna be your 2 main drains under the hood. Okay, and there it is. It's all cleaned out. You can see all the way through it. No problem at all. So basically what we're gonna do is just reinstall it. And like I said, if you've seen our previous videos this past week, you'll know how important that is to clean that out. If you do not clean that out, you're going to have the ECU that looks like this one, and that's no good. It's pretty much just a paperweight. So hopefully it helps, guys. A real short video. That's how you clean the drains out on your E60.